Akenya makiria milioni ithano aria mahuthagira thimu muthemba wa smartphone ni mahuthiirio njira ya kunogorwo ni thenema na tabarira mwaki o ni thutha wa kambuni ya Mediamax inyitaniire na kambuni ya Safaricom kuruguria mutaratara wa kwamukira mwango uyu. Akiari hindi ya kurugurio nyitaniri umurugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya Mediamax Ken Ngaruiya oigite uyu ni mubango wa mwanya guku bururi-ini.
K24Plus is Kenya's leading and only OTT platform. We've expanded drastically since we launched at the end of December 2021. Family members will be able to watch 5 live channels like Nickelodeon for the kids. You'll be able to watch Akili. You'll be able to watch Z1. You'll be able to watch Star Life and Nina Novelas channel. You'll also get over 40 movies and series from places like Universal and Sony, which are leading production houses in the world.
Mutaratara uyu uri rungu rwa app ya K24Plus no tamburikanite ta K24Plus Supaaa monthly deal uria urateithiriria mundu kwirorera thenema makiria ya 40 na ceceni kiundurita guku mundu akihuthira ciringi 40 tu oro mweri.
We've also partnered with Safaricom to offer you a data bundle that is affordable. So if you dial *544#6, you will then get data on a data package that will be suitable for you to enjoy the content. All the sports action across the world that you'd ever want.
Kurebe muciari uri na ciana mutaratara uyu ni ukurumbuitie amu uri na gwa kwihugurira kuona ibindi na thenema ici citingithukia ciana na githomo ni kirumbuie.
Are you looking for safe, fun content for your kids? The place to go is K24Plus Supaaa monthly deals.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wajiko.